Hello everybody, today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we are in Delimara, part of Marsa Xlok. We're going to start our trek today with this coastal trek with beautiful scenery as usual, and we're going to start from Fort Delimara. It was built in 1881 by the British to make fortifications in Malta. It is a polygonal fort, but today we cannot explore here because, as you see, it's closed to the public. But we're going to go with the shore and explore this area. So let's start this adventure. Well, here we can find on this side we have the fort, and unfortunately on the other side, because some people criticize me because I don't show the not bad things, they have to be done. We are a small island. Here we have the LNG oil tanker, and there's our power station. But then it's up to you to look where you like. So it's a very nice fort when it's open. I will come to visit it. If one continues to go around Fort Delimara, the road will lead us to a nice lighthouse that is up here. We are still walking around the ditch of Fort Delimara. The lighthouse is about 100 meters away. It looks like here the road have been paved, and if we look up there we can start seeing the lighthouse. Here we arrived at this beautiful lighthouse. If I am not mistaken, one can rent this lighthouse out, and I think it will be a very beautiful experience. Look how nice it is, and the views from the other side are amazing. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but one can rent this lighthouse here because I was curious. Nice, eh? Here we have some information on who's restoring this lighthouse. I would love to come for a weekend break here. I love this place, it's true. It will be amazing, yeah? Look how beautiful this part is. Very nice, eh? And here one can find some salt pans. Here we are at the ponta of Delimara. Look how beautiful. There's this small island here, and here is full of salt pans. We in Maltese we call them salini, where we do people working here make their salt, the coarse salt from the seawater. Very nice here. And now we'll continue along the coast until we start going to some famous swimming spots. Amazing place, yeah, here. Very nice. Look at this area, how nice it is. Many times you find fishermen here fishing. It started today, very cold today, but now it's getting super hot, even with this light fleece. But here is very nice, very rocky terrain, you see. Till now it was easy to walk on everywhere. Here everywhere is full of saline. These cut into the rock, so they will put salt water here. With the sun, the water will evaporate, and they will be left with salt. It's very nice. Here, everywhere you look is nice. This area here, as you see, is known as il-Kalanka, and it's very famous in summer as people come here, especially in that area, swimming and jumping from one story high into the sea. Because this area in summer, this area is all of it will be full of people swimming. It's very popular in Malta. Here is Delimara, and it's called il-Kalanka. This part, okay. It's a beautiful part, eh? Now we have to go around this area because it's private and we continue our trek. So we're going up there. So let's continue. A small detour to pass around the private areas here. So we'll go and see Kalanka. Here we are exactly at Kalanka area. Most people like to jump from that area or from here. There's some kind of this old hotel or building here is being restored. It's been, I know it's been here for ages. And there's the view one can get from here. Nice, eh? So now we're going to go all around that area so we can go around to St. Peter's Pool. So let's continue. Now I'm getting into this area. It looks like it's being restored as well. I think this is government project. Here I'm on the other side of Kalanka. And my biggest problem today is if I shall remove my fleece and stay with the t-shirt or not. I don't want to get cold there. Christmas is coming. Here we are near the sea again, very close. Here is a small boathouse or a storage for the salt pencil, or as we call it in Maltese, salini. I think it comes from Italian because sale is salt. It's full of them here. Even the rocks, how they are formed here. It's a beautiful trek here, and a relaxed one as well. Here we find this small pool of water, and if we look here, it's like carved in stone. And if we look upside, there's a hole from top, so people can get to water, most probably from this like a well. That is the hole that I was showing you. And here we are still passing between salini. It's full of them here. Everywhere you look, the scenery is nice. And the sounds of sea are very relaxing here to come. It's December, but it is still super hot with the sun on you. I couldn't stay with the fleece, with the shirt. You're perfect, but when the sun goes in, it's a little bit a problem. But let's continue this trek like this. I'm super fine, aren't I? I'm very cozy with the t-shirt. It's incredible, eh? December and with a t-shirt. And then this morning was 11 degrees. Look how nice this area is here. There isn't those cliffs like in Dingley, but it's still very beautiful. And another thing, maybe you can see the ships up there. Libera Square, they're all there. That's called Hertzbank. It's a shallow part where ships can anchor there, especially when it's rough. And they are very close to the Grand Harbor as well. And if anybody has some more information about this of Hertzbank, please comment below. I wish to know. Everywhere you look here, it's full of old saline, yeah? A lot of salt was produced in this area because it's close to the sea, because they need salt water. And people coming in this area, please don't do barbecues in this saline, because first you damage them, and many of them will still be used, and you will ruin all the hard work of the people that are making the salt. Still we have running water out here. But the scenery, the sea is always nice. So, look, full of saline everywhere. Every piece of rock is carved as a saline. Yeah, let me show you that. It's amazing. The sun is amazing as well. It's warm. I'm with a t-shirt and I'm feeling super comfortable. passing this area here, take great care because it's private property and people live in that area. So plus they work in the Salini and you can ruin their work. So take care when crossing from this side. You can easily go around this area and continue your trek. Now we have arrived in this area, another beautiful spot. It's easily walked here. Just find the path so you don't go into people private property. Until now it was a relaxed trek. No bouldering. It's nearly every. It's good for everybody. We are trekking along the cliff, but it's not so high here. There's the Trekkkng there, and hopefully continue with this beautiful coast we have here. It's very relaxing and some cleaner as well, although there's the power station there, but it's a lot cleaner now. It's nice, huh? What do you think? We are still trekking up here on top. The views are amazing as usual, as you can expect from this side. See how nice. I have to come to explore many of these places in summer and have a nice swim here. If it was in summer, that's how this vlog will end up, but today is better, no? I told you that we are going to St. Peter's Pool, and apparently this is little Peter's brother from Google Maps. So let's go to meet his bigger brother now. So when you're passing from fields like this, that they are being fun, take care to stay as close to the outer part as possible, because if you damage the fields, then they will be angry and will be more problem passing from these places. So take care of them, so hopefully they will take care of us as well. It's two-way street, how you say, although they put walls not to pass. Now we have reached our final destination, St. Peter's Pool. Is this area here, which will go down, and amazingly there are people swimming here. In summer here will be full. This is St. Peter's Pool area. We have to go down these stairs. Here is very famous in summer with people swimming, although now that is December and people are still swimming here. Take care, people coming on this side because there's a lot of rock falls here. Even they closed it again with wire, chicken wire. So beware. It's a small break here, and I start walking back. Look how beautiful this area is. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful vlog. Today it was me, Pierre Farrugia from St. Peter's Pool. Look how beautiful it is. And especially the turquoise. Until next time, bye bye.